Dear students, today let us discuss about yield management, a term which looks a bit confusing for you. So, let us see what is yield management in detail. The concept of yield management was introduced by the airline industry. Yield management, also known as revenue management. This concept is mainly applicable for perishable items. Perishable items mean items that are likely to decay or go bad quickly. Before discussing yield management in hotels, let us see some of the examples of perishable items and how it affects the price of perishable items. Let us take an example of a fruit and vegetable seller. When fresh fruits and vegetables are available, the shop seller will not be ready to give any discount. As the fruits and vegetables are fresh, the demand will be also high and the customers are ready to pay for it. When time goes, the freshness will lose and the demand for the product start decreasing. At this point, the seller will think about giving discounts in order to boost the sale or to ensure that all the products are sold out. If the seller was not able to finish his fruits and vegetables on time, the balanced fruits and vegetables will get spoiled and that will be a loss for the seller. In order to avoid such situation, he forced to give discounts. He used a technique when the demand was high, he didn't give any discount, and when the demand is diminishing, he start giving discounts to ensure that all the products are sold out. I believe you understand the importance of handling perishable items. Coming back to the hotel industry, our main product is guest room that is considered as a perishable item. Room will not perish same like fruits and vegetables, but still the hotel rooms are considered as highly perishable item. Room is a perishable item because if a room is not sold on a particular day, the entire potential revenue from that room is lost forever. We will not get that revenue back. Even if we manage to sell the room with a higher rate in the next day, revenue lost in the previous day is a loss forever. In order to avoid such loss, hotel use the technique of yield management. Yield management, a technique based on demand and supply. You can see from the graph, when the demand increases, there's a steady increase in the price, and when the demand decreases, there's a decrease in the price. During the peak season, the demand for hotel rooms will be high. When the demand increases, the hotel will increase the price of the hotel room also. During the off season, that is, when the demand is low for the hotel rooms, the hotels start giving discounts in order to ensure that they can sell their maximum rooms. Naturally, when the demand is low, the hotels start decreasing their price. They will give promotional offers, discounts in order to ensure maximum sale. Let us see some of the techniques or tools used in hotels for yield management. The first one is selective overbooking or capacity management. Second one, differential pricing or discount allocation. And the third one is duration restriction or duration control. Selective overbooking or capacity management. All of you know that overbooking is the practice of intentionally selling more rooms than available for sale. Hotels are doing so in order to ensure if there is any cancellation, no show, or early departure, it will not affect their business or to ensure maximum revenue. The second one is differential pricing. It's a strategy of pricing or discount allocation based on demand. Normally, as we said before, when the demand is high, the hotels are not offering any discount, or the hotels having a practice of giving discounts to the guests for doing reservation well in advance. The third one is duration control or duration restriction is another tool of yield management. Strategy to ensure maximum revenue, like ensuring a minimum stay or maximum stay during the high demand period. For example, a hotel may refuse a reservation request for one night stay even though rooms are available for that night, as accepting such reservations will block occupancy on adjacent days. Dear students, I believe you got a basic idea regarding what is yield management and what is the importance of yield management in hotel industry. Thank you.